What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to talk about how much you could be making with Amazon KDP. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course lays out everything that I did step by step to hit $1,000 per month within 3 months. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, making money self-publishing low content books over through Amazon KDP. How much money could you personally make from doing this? Well, the short answer to that is I don't know. I really don't know. Everyone is different. Everyone has different designs. There's so many factors that come into play as well with your subtitles, your titles, your keywords and all of that jazz. All I can do is show you my results and show you how much I personally make. Now, like I said, there's so many factors that come into play. And do you actually treat it like a business or do you treat it like a hobby? See, me, I've been doing this for 8 months. I think I'm on my 9th month now, but I take this very seriously and I do this business every single day. And because of that, I get some pretty good results. See, I'm always researching and I'm always creating new books and testing new niches. So if you treat this business like a business, because that's what it is, then you're probably going to get a lot better results than rather treating it like a hobby. So over the last 8 months, now on my 9th month, I have made in royalties $11,600 and I now have 2,200 books. Now me personally, I upload at least 10 books a day. So I'm creating new books pretty much every single day. Well, kind of every day. I've started batching my work now. So I'll batch my research into a few hours and then I batch all my designs together as well and then I batch upload. So that alone makes it a lot more easier. Now by batch upload I mean batching certain niches or certain books together for when I upload. That way you're not going to be uploading a book in the fitness niche and then a book in the dog niche. You're batching say 10 books of the dog niche together, so when you upload that you can keep all the upload details very similar and just change a few things. That alone saves so much time rather than having to upload individual books in individual niches. So let's go back to the last week. Last week was a pretty good week for me. I sold how many units? Let's go here. I sold 208 units last week and that equates to $489. So as you probably know if you watch my videos, I had a Father's Day notebook sell really well as well last month. That's how I hit my highest month ever of $3,000 or just over. Now, it seems like I'm digressing because this is supposed to be a video about how much can you make. Well, again, it all depends on how much time and effort you put into running this business. See, your income will be in direct proportion to how much time and effort you put into this business. Do the research, create good quality books, and stay consistent and you will get results. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.